it is possible for you to create a community. And in 2025, let's prepare for you to make $25,000 a month doing what you know how to do and teaching other people how to do it. How does that sound? It's time to be free. It's time to make a lot of money. And it's time to just be ourselves. Listen, I follow a lot of people on YouTube, right? It's YouTube University, so don't you? Anyway, I was thinking, man, listen, there's somebody that wants to hear your voice. Not mine, yours. My voice might irritate some people. Just like some people's voices, man, I cannot take it. Some people who seem phony on YouTube, I can't take it. I need and I follow people who are real, people who I vibe with their personality. Those are the people that I follow. You can make money just being you. You don't have to get online and be phony. You don't have to get online and sound like Tony Robbins or sound like any of these other people that you see on YouTube University. You can get online and sound just like you and present and give people the information that you have to give them. Because guess what? A lot of people think that all of these industries are so daggum flooded. But you're not there. They don't have your personality. They don't have your understanding. They don't have your skill sets, right? They don't present information or learn the way that you learn. I think one of the things that differentiates me is I like the 4 Dummies method. I'm an engineer. I think like an engineer. So when I create products, when I create trainings, I use the 4 Dummies method. I want something that you can explain to a 5-year-old. Part of the reason for that, I don't know if you guys know that, Madison, my daughter, she's 17 now, and she was diagnosed with dyslexia. And I figured out through her and getting her tested, they were actually testing me too. Because why am I dyslexic and didn't know it? Why am I ADHD and didn't know it? Baby, I'm functional like a mug. Do you hear me? And high functioning, right? I learned how to overcome it. I have to read stuff 5 times before my mind will shut up so that I can comprehend it. I have to break things down into 1, 2, 3, ABC, into the smallest, like 5th grader, even complex subjects like engineering. I'm a chemical engineer by education. And I had to work for that because of the things that I didn't know I had, right? I didn't know that my eye jumps. Like when I'm reading, my eye does this, jumps lines. I used to wonder why am I 21, but I do not like reading in public. I hated it. I've gotten a lot better now, but I hated it. And that's all when I took my child to the right doctor who diagnosed. I was like, I be dadgum. My eye does that too. And it's a muscular issue. Anywho, what I'm trying to say is nobody creates content like me because I go step 1, step 2, step 3, ABC with a picture and pointing at it. You know what I'm saying? That's the type of stuff that I like to see. I don't like for people to teach me and leave stuff out. Don't act like I know nothing, especially if I can't get back in touch with you or sit with you one-on-one. Don't leave nothing out. Now, if you are coaching me and we are one-on-one, go. You can leave it out because I can ask you that question. But I know you know what I'm talking about. There's so many programs online. Listen, nobody is you. And you, friend, are freaking incredible. Even if you teach people how, things that you take for granted, baby, that you do very well. Cleaning, cooking, dealing with children, those type of things, people just don't, that's not everybody's skill. And people want to hear and want to learn how to do the simplest of things much, much better. I had never raised a teenager. I wish that there was somebody who taught me how to raise an African-American female in this social media environment that sounds like me, acts like me, somebody that I could relate to, somebody that could, it's you. We are missing you. Listen, I've talked about this before in other videos. It is possible for you to create a community. And in 2025, let's prepare for you to make $25,000 a month doing what you know how to do and teaching other people how to do it. How does that sound? It's time to be free. It's time to make a lot of money. And it's time to just be ourselves. I know in corporate America, one of the things that I felt is that I could never just be LaTanya Johnson. I could never just be me because they couldn't handle me. Then after so long, you just cannot keep that up. You can't keep that up because you are at work more than you are with your family. Think about it. 5 days a week, 8 hours a day. You with your kids when they wake up for about 2 hours, getting them dressed, taking them to school, dropping them off. At home in the evening, about another 3 hours. Is that quality time getting to know each other? Nah, y'all working, y'all are trying to get ready to do this cycle all over again. But when you are at work, you're at work with those people all of your best hours. You got to be able to be yourself. We want to see you. We want what you have to offer. Are you ready to give it to us? If you want to learn how to make $25,000 a month, teaching us how to do what you do, I invite you and implore you to click on that link below. Join my school group because I'm teaching people every single day how to be themselves and make massive amounts of money. This is only just the beginning, right? Only just the beginning is you joining a community of other people who want to do exactly what you're doing and learning how to be yourself and become a millionaire. It's possible. It's possible. So let's do it. Click that link below and I'll see you on the other side.